Hello, today I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock the doors and your boot lid manually and the child lock. If the central locking system should fail to work at any time, each door will have to be locked separately. A mechanical locking device is provided on the end faces of the front passenger's door and the rear doors. Pull the cap out of the opening, insert the key in the slot inside and turn it as far as a stop to the right if the door is on the right side, or to the left if the door is on the left side. Once the door has been closed, it can no longer be opened from the outside. Pull the interior door handle once to unlock and open the door again. If the child lock is engaged on one of the rear doors, the door can be opened by pulling the inside door handle once and then opening the door from the outside. Now let's release the boot lid manually. I'm inside of the boot lid and now let's open it. The boot lid can be released manually from the inside. There we are. Insert the key into the slot on the inside of the boot lid. There it is in the center. Pull the key in the direction upwards until the boot lid can be opened. It is a little bit tricky and you have to do this a couple of times, but it will be possible to open from the inside. When the vehicle is locked, you can unlock the boot lid separately by pressing the boot lid button on the remote control, of course. The boot lid will lock automatically when you closed it again. This was the boot lid. Oh, now I will show you how to use the child lock. The child locks prevent the rear doors being opened from the inside. To engage the child lock, turn the ignition key in the direction. There, as you can see. Oh, easy. To disengage the child lock, turn the ignition key in the opposite direction. But now we are at the engaged mode. When the child lock is engaged, the inside door handle will not function, and the door can only be opened from the outside. There it is, the child lock setting button. Now it's unlocked, and as you can see, we are going to open the car easily. This works on all of your doors of your Audi A1 Sportback. Child lock function completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.